What's up guys, Philip at Trade Genius. This video we're going to take a look at the CME expirations and how those have affected price previously. As you know, every month toward the last Friday of the month we have a CME futures expiration. So we'll take a look at that. Also, don't forget the Bob and Phil show today at 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. We're going to talk about crypto stocks and our packages that will help you trade those very effectively. So talk about all those things and what's coming down the pipe for us as we head into the end of the year here. All right, let's dig into this video.
Trade Genius.
Okay guys, you may have recalled this chart we had up the other day. Basically what it is yellow is the CBOE futures expiration, red is the CME futures expiration. And I want to show you, I marked up a chart. This is the current chart as of Thursday morning, but if we look at this chart here, marked it up prior to this, I just wanted to highlight the day of the expiration and then what was the subsequent move. As you can see, going back to March 2018, we had an expiration on this date. Then we kind of pivoted up with a decent sized move up. Then we had an expiration on this date, and a couple days later rolled over with a decent down move. We had an expiration on this date, down move continued for a little bit, then bounced up and then rolled back over, continuation move down. Down move into the expiration where we had a nice big bar on that expiration day, and you'll notice the day of can be either red or green. It hasn't been consistently one or the other. But anyway, expires there and we have a nice big bounce up into another expiration and then a big move down. So as you can see, a lot of times what we get is the move of kind of a counter move of the overall trend going into expiration. If you're going up, you hit expiration, the market tends to roll over. The only exception was really in here, where the market did roll, go down into this expiration. The bounce up was pretty short-lived and then continued to roll over again. But all these other ones tend to see some sort of move that's counter trend to the move going up into expiration, and then a counter move up or down depending on the direction. Now, what's a little different on this one is that, you know, we've talked about the price coiling on the daily, and that still continues to be true. We've basically, you know, this whole area here from 6,700 down to 6,300, aside from this one area where we poked up, and out of, that's been a largely a consolidation range. So as we head into this expiration, we do kind of have an up bias, so maybe we may see a little bit of a rollover after that, but it hasn't been like a really strong move up or a really strong move down into it. So that makes the expectations of what happens next a little more cloudy. So just be aware of that, guys. But you know, if we do get the say a little bit of green into this expiration and a little follow through up to this trend line, we could see another move down that's been in line with what we've seen on these prior expirations. Okay, so just keep that in mind if we do run up into tomorrow up to this trend line, that the expectation could be that we roll over. But again, as we've been saying, these counter moves have been shrinking in size as we seem to be consolidating, which is what happens when price coils, and then we get a move out, and it's going to give us the direction for the next probably 4 weeks. So there you have it. I just wanted to show you guys, kind of highlighted, makes it a little easier to visualize what happens around these CME expirations. So hope that helps. Please hit like and subscribe. If you want to join us in the room, head over to tradelikeagenius.com and check out our packages over there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you on tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.